Orca are found across almost every ocean on Earth, from icy waters as cold as 31 degrees Fahrenheit to more temperate seas where the conditions are far milder and marine life thrives. They operate through coordination and memory, turning the vast ocean into a strategic map shared by the entire pod. They operate through coordination and memory, turning the vast ocean into a strategic map shared by the entire pod. In the depths of the ocean, the great white shark reigns as a near-perfect predator. Weighing around 5,000 pounds and delivering a bite force of nearly 4,000 pounds per square inch, it can detect the faint electrical signals of a beating heart from miles away. Yet even this solitary ruler must remain wary of another force, the orca, the black and white phantoms of the sea. Rather than relying on brute aggression, orca employ calculated tactics. They move in formation, using sound to disrupt the extraordinarily sensitive senses of sharks. In a moment of absolute precision and coordination, the orca deliver a decisive strike, flipping their opponent upside down. Almost instantly, the shark falls into a state of immobility, a temporary paralysis that can be enough to decide the outcome of the entire encounter. When the hunter becomes the target, nature's message becomes unmistakably clear. Ultimate power does not belong to the sharpest teeth, but to collective intelligence, capable of dominating through strategy. In the polar ecosystem, seal are more than just marine mammals. They are rich reserves of fat and energy. With an average weight of around 600 pounds, a single seal provides an enormous supply of calories, making it well worth the most advanced hunting strategies. When a target is spotted resting on a drifting ice floe, the hunting party does not rush in recklessly. Instead, the orca execute a tactic known as wave washing. Lining up side by side, they surge forward together, their powerful tail beats driving columns of water that crash against the edge of the ice. The ice begins to rock and tilt, turning what once seemed a safe refuge into an unstable platform. And if the floe proves too solid, the orca use their combined mass to surge upward from below, lifting and destabilizing it from beneath. Once the seal slips from the ice, its chances of escape are almost non-existent. With an entire formation of orca controlling the waters beneath the ice, nothing can escape its fate. Yet the ocean is not only a battlefield, it is also a classroom. Adult orca often capture prey and release it again, allowing their calves to practice the art of the hunt. Through this transfer of knowledge and culture, orcas maintain their position at the very top of the marine hierarchy. Dolphins are exceptional athletes of the ocean, equipped with a sophisticated echolocation system and capable of swimming at speeds exceeding 20 miles per hour. They live in tightly bonded societies, using a complex system of communication to protect one another. Yet, the laws of nature always present formidable challenges. The orca, the largest and most intelligent member of the dolphin family, can turn these encounters into the ultimate test of survival among close relatives. The pursuit does not begin with brute force, but with a carefully calculated strategy. One group maintains steady pressure from behind, setting the pace and gradually wearing their opponent down. Amid the chaos, when a weaker individual or a calf becomes separated from the group, the orca unleash a powerful hydrodynamic strike. With the force of their massive bodies, the impact is often enough to extinguish any hope of escape. Almost instantly, the encounter is over, ended with flawless coordination and not a single movement wasted. Before a disciplined patrol of orca, the line between safety and danger becomes razor thin. Unlike orca, the sperm whale is a formidable giant of the deep, reaching lengths of up to 15 meters and weighing dozens of tons. With a single sweep of its tail, it can generate forces powerful enough to deliver blows weighing thousands of pounds. They are rarely brought down, especially during the breeding season when a mother's instincts reach their peak. The calf stays close at her side, protected at all times. Yet the orca are willing to test even the limits of such a giant. Rather than engaging in a direct confrontation, they rely on endurance, rotating positions and sustaining pressure over time. In narrow straits, as their formation tightens, the orca execute a precise maneuver, separating the calf from its mother's protective reach. When the prey finally succumbs to exhaustion, the hunters move in, claiming one of the ocean's greatest prizes. This is not merely a hunt, but a carefully calculated strategy, designed to confront one of the most resilient defensive systems in the ocean. The boundless ocean holds countless mysteries, and the orcas stand as one of the most striking brushstrokes in this vast natural canvas.